2022 Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye. What we got done on it for you guys. Factory converters there and there. It's got less than 1,000 miles on it. There's the X-pipe. All full 3-inch system. And then it comes with the valves there and there. And then it's got the Borla attacks there and there. Usually they make you use your old tips, but she wanted some black tips, so we got her some black tips and welded them in for her. There and there. There's the original system. As you guys can see, it's still practically brand new. All the way, there's the valves, there's the resonators, there's the mid-mufflers, there's the X-pipe. Took it all off, made it scream. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. 21 Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye. Really beautiful car. If you want to watch his build, go to Demon Vibes on YouTube. Got factory converters there and there. Then what we did, he wanted it as loud as possible. So we eliminated the X-pipe and did 2.5-inch system all the way back. As you guys can see, eliminated the active exhaust there and there, and continued the 2.5 all the way back into sub 5-inch roll tips by 18s right there. There she is. 5-inch completes the look, and it just came up. It just completes it. It makes it beautiful. And like always, guys, there's the old resonators, mufflers, X-pipe, valves, all that stuff. We don't like any of that. We like to take it all off. That's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Just wait till you hear it, boys and girls. Wow. More than here's the sound decibels. It's probably even louder than that. Yeah. Yeah. Again? Go ahead and back it up. That sounds perfect. Stock Redeye. And it sounds like that. Imagine what she's done building. Are you going to build it up? Oh yeah. A little bit later. Go ahead. Yeah, baby. Let you guys hear on the inside. My ears. Wow. Your sound decibels. 125, bro. That's crazy. 125. And like I told you guys before, make sure you follow him on YouTube. Demon Vibes. Again? Oh my God. Wow. Let you guys hear on the inside. And all that smoke, guys, that's from the Borla manufacturing the oils all burn off. They're gonna take it down the road for us. I love that color combination though. With the wheels, it's perfect. That's really nice. Hellcat Redeye. Hemi mode, baby. That's the new word for Hemis. Hemi mode. Enjoy. You know what time it is, guys? Redeye time. Hellcat Redeye. True dual straight pipe. 2.5 for a little bit of back pressure. No X pipe. X pipe deleted. Everything's deleted. 5-inch tips. Still got factory converters. It shakes your ears, man. Look at that idle. Listen to that idle. That's just beautiful. We appreciate my boy bringing it out. And like always, guys, make sure you hit up his YouTube channel. It's called Demon Vibes. Again, make sure you hit it up, okay? He's got a Track Hawk on there. This one, he's got a Demon. A bunch of stuff. You'll like it. And once you know who it is, then you'll really like it. I'm not gonna say till you go check it out, guys. And you know, comment on this, say Exhaust Addict sent you guys. Show him some support and love, because he always comes to us.